Animal control workers. Career, salary, and education information. What animal control workers do? Handle animals for the purpose of investigations of mistreatment or control of abandoned, dangerous, or unattended animals. How to become an animal control worker. Education and training. Degree level. High school diploma or equivalent undergraduate degrees and certificates available. Degree fields. Animal sciences, veterinary sciences, or law enforcement. Licensure and certification. Voluntary certification available. Experience. On-the-job training available. Key skills. Enjoy working with animals. Patients' knowledge of animal control procedures and the ability to work under stress, pass drug test, background check, and have a valid driver's license. Typical on-the-job training. Moderate term on-the-job training. Career outlook. Jobs for animal control workers were predicted to increase 7% from 2019 to 2029, according to the BLS, which is about average, compared to all other occupations. The BLS noted that the salaries for the middle half of animal control workers ranged from $30,440 to $47,370 in May 2019. The same report indicated that the median salary for animal control workers was $37,590. The National Animal Control Association provides training for officers. Training combines a mix of hands-on instruction and classwork, focusing on the challenges that animal control workers face in the field. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.